Hi guys, I wanted to share something with you today as a word of encouragement. While I am not personally of Mexican descent, I have a great appreciation for the Mexican culture through friendships that I have developed over the years and what those people have taught me about the Mexican heritage and Mexican culture. And I'm so excited to share with you, for one thing, Cinco de Mayo. A lot of times that gets confused with the Mexican National Independence Day, which is September 16th, totally different day than May the 5th. So Cinco de Mayo on May the 5th was a totally different circumstance. The Mexican army was facing the French army, and they were outnumbered, vastly outnumbered. But against all odds, they won a fantastic victory over the French army. And that is what Cinco de Mayo is all about. It built their morale and went on to lead them to greater things. And this is what I wanted to share with you. How often in our own lives do we face difficulties or situations where we have to stand firm in what we believe is right? And sometimes sometimes it's very costly. Sometimes that standing is very loud and it's very noisy. And sometimes it's quiet, just waiting for things to fall in place when we know that we are in the right. In the Bible, Ephesians chapter 6 says, "Stand firm then, with the belt of truth buckled around your waist, and take up the shield of faith." And it goes on to tell us why that is important. When we know that what we are standing for is right and true and good, we need to stand our ground and be ready to defend. I hope this encourages you today. I know it has me, and I hope that you have a wonderful celebration for Cinco de Mayo. We'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.